Welcome to DIY Woodworking India. It's raining a little bit today. Let me show you one wood joint, which is called dovetail joint. This is the pin part of the dovetail joint, trapezoidal shape, and this is the socket part. First, we normally cut the socket, and based on the dimension of the socket, we cut the pin. You can see the socket part. It is little bit rough and with some random angle. I cut it just like that without measuring perfectly using a hacksaw. Excuse me for that, but again, still it is good. This is the hacksaw I have used. After cutting the uh, socket part, I measured the other part using some marker or some pencil to mark the cut where exactly we have to cut, and after that we made the cut. So this is how it looks like. This is the pin. Although I have made the joint in a hurry, I got surprised when I just tried the joint, and you can see it is quite stable. You give it a shake, it is not going off. Let me do it. See the joint? Yep, still going strong, still holding tight. Great, thanks.